Grace and peace, everybody. Welcome and welcome again to my channel. My name is Miss Masao. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Now today we are making one of my favorites quick easy meals, and we call this Mchemsho. I don't know in how to put this in English, but we just call it Mchemsho. So this is basically bananas, unripe bananas with beef. You can make it with fish, you can make it with chicken, however way you want to make it, but it's so quick and it's so easy. I'll put the list of ingredients in the description box below and the verse of the day. So let's get straight into the video. Into a large pot, we are going to be adding our unripe bananas, which we have already peeled and washed, as you can see. Then we are going to add our onions, lots of onions, our bell peppers, and then we are going to add some water, just a little bit of water, and a little bit of oil, and some carrots. We then add some salt and then mix everything so that it can combine well, and then cover our pot and let it simmer or boil for at least 10 minutes until your bananas are actually cooked. As your bananas are cooking, into another pot, you're going to add some oil. Then you'll add your grated carrots and some onions. You're going to stir fry them until your carrots turn a little bit more pale. Then you'll take them out of the heat. After 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to take your carrots out of the pot and into the blender. Then you're going to add just a little bit of water and blend the mixture. Mind you, at this point your bananas are cooking, and also you have already parboiled your meat. And make sure that when you're boiling your meat, you add tons and tons of water so that you can get that beef broth. At this point, as you can see, after 10 minutes my bananas are well cooked. I'll add my beef plus all the broth, because that is what we actually want. Then after that, I'm just going to spread it around and then add my carrot, my blended carrot. And the reason that we add the blended carrot, it actually adds tons of flavor, and at the same time it adds that beautiful color that is so pleasing to the eye. After adding the carrots, you'll just spread your carrot mix, or what we usually do. This is usually taught in the village. You just take your pot and just shake your pot so that you don't mix, you don't break your bananas by mixing it with a wooden spoon or any kind of spatula whatsoever. As you can see, I was just spreading my carrots, and at this point, basically my food is ready, because mind you, my beef has been boiling, it's cooked, it's ready. I'll just let it cook for at least 2 to 3 more minutes. I'll test to see if it has enough salt, and if it doesn't, I'll add just a tiny bit of salt. And as I said before, let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that everything is well combined and you get that flavor that is so good. Now let me tell you, this we call this Mchemsho in my culture in Africa, not Africa actually, we call this Mchemsho in Tanzania. Now we actually eat this anytime, but basically I usually cook this for my children or for my family on Sundays, and I usually prepare this with some chapati. It slaps. Now when I tell you this dish slaps, it actually slaps. It is so good. Everybody enjoys this dish. Now at the end, as you can see, I added some pepper, just to get that good smell out of it. Mind you, this is the most what do you call it, it's so potent. This pepper is so potent. If it breaks, game is over. Like, the game is over for the children. They will not eat this. So I put it at the end so that it does not break. I just want to infuse its smell. And at this point, your dish is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like, do not forget to comment down below. Let me know if you tried this dish and if you liked it. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I use the same name, Miss Masao. Thank you so much. I'll put the verse of the day in the description box below. Be sure to check the verse of the day. Thank you so much, lovies. See you next time. Bye-bye.